Hey, ambassadors. If you have been trying to figure out how to create a QR code for your business and you've been struggling with it, I just might have the solution for you. So stay tuned to this video. Welcome to Beauty and Boss Life. Hi, I'm Felita, your independent beauty ambassador, leadership mentor, and business coach. If you're passionate about beauty, self-care, confidence, and building a business that fits your lifestyle, you're in the right place. On this channel, you'll find beauty tips, product reviews, business training, motivation, and strategies to help you look your best and live your best life. So if that's you, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications and join our growing community. Let's build beauty and confidence and success together. Okay, now let's get into the video. Now, there are two options. Actually, there are more options out there, but I have heard from some people that say that, you have to be careful about which website you create your QR code on because some of them don't last. I personally have been using tinyurl. Let me go here. I have personally been using tinyurl.com for the past 2 years. Now, it is a free, you can create a free account. I have always used the free accounts. I have never upgraded, and I have gotten excellent service. All of the links that I have created on this website here are still active. Now, you can see here where it says generate QR code. That this is all you need to do. So once you create your free account with your name, your email address, it's going to send you a link to confirm your email address. And once you confirm your email address, you will be able to log in and create your QR code. Okay. Now there is another website that you can use as well through bit.ly, bit.ly.com. You can see right here in the web address, bit.ly.com. You can also create a free account with bit.ly. I have used bit.ly in the past. I personally prefer to use tinyurl because I have found that you get a lot more on the free plan with tinyurl as opposed to bit.ly. But you can see here there is a QR code option here as well. So all you have to do is register here, sign up for free, and I'm sure that they will send you an email to confirm your email account, and from there you can create your QR code. So let's go back to my favorite, which is tinyurl. Okay, so after you have received your login information, you're going to need to create a password. I have already created my password here, so we're going to go ahead and log in to my account. Okay, all right, let's see here. I am human. Okay, all right, so if you look here at the bottom of the page, you can see here that I have created quite a few tiny URLs. Okay, and the reason why I create these tiny URLs is because when I am promoting online, I like to make sure that I'm using a shortened link. So let me give you an example. So here we are on the Avon.com website, and depending on what product you want to market, let's say for instance you wanted to market this product here, the Turtle Mask Fit Red Cushion Foundation. All right, so if you look here in the web's address up here, it has a long address. Okay, very long address. Now when you are marketing online, this is not the type of link you want to share because it's just way too long. So what you want to do is copy this link here. So you're going to highlight that link and you're going to move down to copy, and you're going to take this link and you're going to go over here to tinyurl and you're going to paste it here. Right here where it says long URL, you're going to paste it right here. All right. Now, The main domain name is going to be tinyurl.com. All right. Now here you have to include the name. So I'm going to call this Turter dash cushion foundation. Okay. And then all you have to do is just collect. That one is not available, so somebody has already used that one. So I'm going to use Turter foundation. Let's see if that one is available. Okay, so that one is available. So you can see right down here, it automatically put it down here under my recent links. So all you have to do is copy this link and share it on your wherever it is that you're marketing. But instead of using that long link, you're going to copy this URL right here. This URL right here, and you're going to share it. And you can go down here and you can copy it as well. You can also create a QR code for that specific product. So all you have to do is click right there, and it'll create the QR code for you right here. And all you need to do is just download it in either PNG and SVG. Now I don't know what SVG is. I'm only familiar with JPEG and PNG formats for photos. Okay, so all you'll need to do is just download it and just share that that code online. Now here is how to generate a QR code for your domain name so that you can hand it out and you can have people scan it. All right, so at the very top of the page here, you'll see that there's plans. You'll see features. You want to go under features. You're going to see link editor, which means that you can edit any links that you have here. Link management, okay, branded links, short URL tracking. It also has a tracking feature, but I also believe that you have to upgrade for that. The tracking feature is good because it gives you an opportunity to be able to see where those links are actually working. Where are you generating the most website traffic? Okay. Then in the QR code generator, this is where you want to create your QR code. All right. So you're going to click on QR code here. And you'll see here it says dynamic QR code generator. So get started. All right. So what you want to do is go to your Avon website and you want to paste your Avon website link there. So you're going to go back into avon.com. You're going to need to open up two windows. You're going to need tinyurl.com and you're going to need avon.com opened as well, and log into your personal website. All right, so this is of course my online store, and then this is the link to my website right up here. Okay, so this is the link that you would copy. Just highlight that link, right click, copy, and bring it back over to tinyurl and paste it here. Okay, now this is where you need to give it a name. Okay, and you can name it whatever you're going to name it here. Okay, and I've already used Felita's Avon website down here, and I've also used Avon brochure, so those names are already taken. Okay, so you can name this Avon brochure dash whatever your name is, and I put dash Felita here. Okay, so once you do that, you want to go right here and click on generate QR code. Okay, it didn't automatically put it there, so we're going to go ahead and paste the URL here. Okay, you see here that long domain destination URL is going to go right there. Okay, so we're going to name this Avon brochure dash Felita. Okay, and then we're going to generate the QR code. Now all you need to do is download this. Click right here to download, and then you have generated your QR code. That's correct, your QR code for sharing. Now, when you go anywhere and you meet particular prospects, all you have to do is give them your QR code. You can also have it on your car sign. You can put a car sign on your vehicle and use the same QR code where people, when they're passing by, they can automatically scan it and it'll take them directly to your website. Okay? And that is it. That is all it is to it.